Hello everyone, my name is Carolina Arenas and today I would like to show you the lives of two wonderful women, Teresa Espinal and Luis Castro de Gutierrez, extraordinary women who caused great change in the history of the department and the country, and who, if they were still alive, will continue to work for human rights. Teresa Espinal was born in Antioquia in 1896. These women, of only 24 years, will be the leader of the first great female labor movement of the century. It was February 20 of the 1920 year. Betsabe, she was ready to go out and fight for rights. In Rayo, the working women decided to protest against so many injustices. They were victims of sexual abuse by supervisors and girls. They were prohibited from wearing hair. There was no equal pay and for fines and long hours of work. After a strike of 21 days with the participation of a 100 women, Don Emilio Restrepo had to guarantee workers complying with everything they demand. For these reasons, the rail workers' strike is memorable for many not only in the history of Antioquia but throughout the country. If these women were alive, she would continue to work for women's rights in all areas. She will be a leader in women's empowerment. Luis Castro Gutierrez was a nurse, philanthropist, and colonial politician. She will be among the first colonial women who would fight for female presence in the democratic development of the country. Several of his foundations had a social impact on thousands of people in the city, the region, and the country. President and founder and co-founder of various social welfare institutions, as they are the General Hospital of Medellín Castro Gutierrez, currently considered one of the best in the city and the country. Co-founder of the University of Medellín, she was founder of the Blood Bank of University Hospital San Vicente de Paul, caring for 24 years with behavioral problems and many other projects. If this woman were alive, she would be leading projects for mothers and children, not only in Medellin, but also in the most neglected regions of the country. The above was a sample of good leadership and empowerment of women in our story, an example of grit, courage, and daring in the conservative society in which this woman. Thank you.